On January 28, 2025, the Trump administration sent more than 2 million federal employees an email with the subject line, "Fork in the Road," a deferred resignation program with an ultimatum: quit now with pay that may never come, or risk being forced out. Only about 4% accepted, so the strategy shifted from pressuring workers to leave to terminating their employment outright. That shift hit the VA especially hard, where 30% of employees are veterans, continuing their service by caring for fellow veterans. These were not faceless bureaucrats. They were veterans delivering care to their brothers and sisters who've donned the military uniform. Our veterans deserve dignity and respect for their service, yet, despite their sacrifices, they were kicked to the curb by Secretary Collins and Donald Trump, even after answering the call to active duty and then serving fellow veterans and receiving their health care. On May 15th, Secretary Collins, in sworn testimony to this committee, assured veterans that mission-essential roles would be protected. That was a lie. In December, the administration made plans to eliminate 35,000 additional positions that month, on top of the 30,000 already lost over the last year. When I worked as an occupational therapist, I saw firsthand how the quality of care of patients' outcomes are impacted by understaffing. I know what it looks like when people don't receive the care that they need. And when people picture the VA system, they think of doctors and nurses, or maybe a claims processor working in the back office. The reality is that these cuts are also impacting mental health counselors treating veterans with severe PTSD, maintenance workers keeping the lights on, and therapists caring for combat veterans with traumatic injuries. To this administration, they're numbers, but to our veterans and their families, they're lifelines. My bill, the VA Funding and Workforce Protection Act, reinstates the veterans who were forced out of their positions at the VA since President Trump took office. It also prevents future hiring freezes that weaken the VA's ability to serve our nation's bravest, and protects probationary employees from becoming targets during workforce reductions. And it ensures each dollar Congress appropriates to the VA stays there. With nearly a third of VA employees being veterans themselves, starving the budget and privatizing veteran health care services hurts the people we're here to help, making it more difficult for veterans to receive the health care they've earned and deserve for serving our nation in uniform. This committee and Congress exist for moments like these. It's time we stand up to this lawless administration. They've impounded funds we've appropriated and decimated the workforce that supports our veterans. Let's stand up for our veterans. I urge my colleagues to support my bill. I yield back.